Let's take a look how to make destroyed and grungy text effect here in Illustrator. I'm gonna go with this artboard size, and for the font, I'm gonna go with Breaker Slab Black. Now this is a free font you can download. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Let's go and right click on the text, create outlines, and first I'm gonna cut this in pieces, so I'm gonna go and select the knife tool. And I'm gonna go around the text and scribble it like this. So this way is gonna cut it in small particles. Right click on the text, on group, and I'm gonna go and remove some of the areas. And I just wanna make the text look shattered, that's it. And this way I'm gonna remove some of the areas only. And this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna select them all. Now we're gonna go to the Pathfinder and click on Unite. We're also gonna need to smoothen this out, so we're gonna go to the Object, Path, and select Smooth. Increase the handle until it's gonna make it more rounded, and I probably gotta go with 11%. Now let's go to the effects, distort and transform, select roughen, click on the smooth, decrease the details to 1, also decrease the size. I'm gonna go with 1, click OK, go to the object, expand appearance, and I'm gonna create a new duplicate out of this, press and hold Alt, drag it down, create a new copy. Now I'm going to work on the bottom text. From here, we're going to go to the effects, pixelate, and select Meso Tint. I'm going to go and change up the type to grainy dots. Click OK. Go to Object, Rasterize. I'm going to go with the default settings. Click OK. And I'm going to go to the effects, blur, select Gaussian blur. I'm going to go somewhere around 0.2. Click OK. And I'm going to go to the Object, expand appearance. Not but least, we're going to go to the image trace, select the default, and let's go to the image trace settings. And here we can manipulate the threshold. I'm going to decrease it a little bit more. And I'm also going to decrease the noise, so it's going to add more details. I'm also going to decrease the corners to 0 and also decrease the path. And I'm going to check the box with ignore color, click on expand appearance. And not but least, I'm going to select the top text. I'm going to swap it from fill to stroke. Let's go to the stroke settings, and I'm going to align a stroke inside. Increase the stroke thickness, and I'm going to move the stroke on the other text. And I'm going to select both, align vertically, and I'm going to select the fill, right click, arrange, send back. And I can go and select the text with a stroke and increase the stroke thickness. And it's going to look something like this. And that's how you can make this grungy text effect here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.